Looking for the best Phantom drones? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Phantom drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. DJI Phantom 4 Professional. Pros: this sturdy and easy to use drone has 4K video and advanced obstacle avoiding technology. Captures smooth video and sharp pictures. Great customer service. Cons: pricey. Bad batteries and glitches have been reported. Bottom line: an impressive drone, but its camera doesn't quite have the capabilities of our best of the best pick. At number 2. DJI Phantom 3 Standard. Pros: a good Phantom drone for those new to flying and taking photo and video. Sure to impress first-timers. Cons: long battery charge time. Need to use an Android or iOS device. No remote control. Bottom line: although it does not have 4K video, it still looks crisp, and you can't beat the price. At number 1. DJI Phantom 4 Professional Plus. Pros: has an upgraded camera that increases video frame count and captures burst photos. Remote sports an improved video feed. Cons: more features than the Phantom 4 Pro, at a price. Bottom line: if money is no object and you want the very best, feature-packed model, this is it. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.